In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Google Meet in Google Calendar. If you want to set up a meeting in advance and make sure everyone has the link, the easiest way to do it is directly through Google Calendar. This is a quick process, and once you know where to click, it becomes very simple to repeat anytime you need to plan a call for work, school, or a personal event. To begin, open Google Calendar while signed into your Google account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the main calendar screen, because that's where you'll be able to create and organize upcoming events. Scheduling through Calendar is useful because it not only creates the meeting, but also helps you keep track of the date and time in one place. From there, look for the option labeled New Meeting. Click on New Meeting to open the meeting creation options. This is the starting point for creating a Google Meet session that you can use later instead of launching one instantly. If you don't want to start a meeting right away, this is the correct choice because it helps you plan ahead and share the details more professionally. After clicking New Meeting, select Schedule a Meeting. This option is designed for setting up a future meeting inside Google Calendar. Once you click it, Google Calendar will begin preparing an event with a Google Meet link attached. That means the video call information is automatically connected to the calendar event, making it easier for both you and your guests to join at the right time. At this stage, you can review the event details in Calendar and make sure everything looks correct. Although the main part of the process is simply choosing New Meeting and then schedule a meeting, it's always a good idea to double check the meeting date, start time, and any other event information before finishing. That helps avoid confusion later, especially if you're inviting other people. One helpful tip is to schedule meetings a little earlier than you think you need them, especially if multiple people are joining. That gives everyone time to prepare and connect without feeling rushed. It's also smart to confirm your time zone if you work with people in different locations. And that's it. Once you click New Meeting and then schedule a meeting, you're already on the path to creating a planned Google Meet through Google Calendar. It's a simple feature, but it can save time and keep your meetings organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you schedule your next Google Meet with confidence.